In this video, we will show you how to install a zipper on our mini portable sewing machine. Maybe a lot of you are wondering whether you can install a zipper using this mini sewing machine, and the answer is, of course you can. Here I am using an exposed zipper. It is the one that has steel in the middle instead of plastic. First, pile both of the fabrics with the right sides together. After that, we will sew around 3 cm from the edge of the fabric and stitch it from the top to the bottom. So here's the fabric. Open it and install the zipper here in the middle, right in the stitches, facing downwards. You can use some pins to make it easier to stitch. This mini sewing machine doesn't have any other press foot, so we will have to use this one. Stitch it on the edge where the zipper was installed. Turn it to the side like this and stitch it to the other side of the zipper. Make sure the needle is stick to the fabric. And you can continue to stitch all around the edge of the zipper. For the top sides, you can fold it inwards and stitch them again. Now you can go ahead and open up the stitches from where you started stitching the zipper to the end of the zipper.